has started very recent in the year 2009. His roll number is 3690, Visionary House. And he has completed his engineering from Association Engineering College, Pagilpur, and he is the son of Dr. General Secretary. And recently, he got appointment at TCS, Hyderabad as software engineer. With this brief introduction, I welcome you all once again. And the topic of today's presentation is wind and solar energy, how to harness the wind energy, solar energy and other renewable sources of energy, which are of more interest for all of us, since many of you are going to do the models, working models based on this particular topic. So I welcome you sir once again.